Goodbye, boys.
Skippy the Bush Kangaroo. Skippy, a friend never true. Skippy the Bush Kangaroo. Skippy, a friend never true.
Goodbye, boys.
Walking where Skippy was made. As you know, around to the left, to the right, they built this for the rich people area. So they're hoping to turn this into an attraction, I hope so. This is where Skippy was made down here.
Skippy the Bush Kangaroo. Skippy the Bush Kangaroo. Skippy, a friend ever true. Da-da-da-da.
Clancy mustn't have heard us come in.
She'll hear us as soon as we're finished unloading all this stuff.
Ah, Dad, now that's not your normal gentlemanly form. Neither's that.
I thought you were in training.
I am for football, not tossing a caber.
Right. You're loaded.
You're kidding.
Oh! I didn't hear you get back. I thought you were a burglar.
No, just a weightlifter. Don't strain yourself, Dad.
No fear of that. Is Sonny home, Clancy?
Oh, no, Mr. Hammond. He and Skippy have gone down to the river. I'll give you a hand with the groceries.
Oh, thanks, Clancy, but don't touch any of the heavy stuff. That all belongs to Mark.
And don't take anything under a pound, Clancy. That all belongs to Dad.
Ta.
Skippy, will you try the starter now?
Sure, go again, Skip.
Screwdriver, Skip, the small one.
Excuse me. Buongiorno, signore. 33's Wallaby Bill.
33 to 1 Wallaby Bill?
All right, Skip, now hide your eyes. Well, we'll keep our fingers crossed, won't we, Skip?
Here, Skippy.
Hold it! Quick, Mark! The rope!
Good luck, Skippy!
Lower the net, Skippy. Lower the net.
Now push the hook. See you, Skip.
Skippy, our friend and the true.
I've been delayed, Sonny. Any messages? Over.
No, everything's quiet here, Dad. No messages. And don't worry, I can fix myself some dinner if you're late. Over.
Okay, Sonny, you know where to reach me if you want me. Over and out.
Hi, Skip. It's about time you came home. Now calm down and come on inside. No, Skip, I can't come with you. I'm in charge while everyone's away. Dad's relying on me. All right, Skip. But it better be of vital importance. All right. All right, show me.